During the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly's business session of 24th March 2023, a call to attention to the Minister in charge of Education, Rakkam A Sangma, was made by MLA from Nongpoh Mayral Born Syiem on the various issues pertaining to the salary, regularisation, payment of arrears and other matters concerning the SSA teachers of Meghalaya.
The concern of SSA school teacher is not new in this August House and even in the state also. But I would like to place on record the steps taken by the Education Department in the past, steps taken by the government to ensure the timely release of salary and other benefits to our beloved teacher, not only SSA school teacher, but also those other pattern, be it ad hoc, deficit, or other pattern that we have within our state. So with regard to this issue, I would like to stress upon and to call the attention of the Honorable Minister about the 12,451 number of SSA school teachers in our state. Effort has been taken in the past, even now also, to ensure for timely release of their salary and other benefits. Even though issues are always there, effort taken by the central government, by the state government, to address the grievances of the teachers' fraternity of our country. So a few issues are there I would like to call to the attention of the Honorable Minister. Number one is the irregularity of the salary of SSA school teacher, where most of the time they have to wait for almost 6 to 7 months, 4 months, 3 months, and so on. Timely intervention with the government of India is a must for the release of fund for the central share and also timely release of the state share also. At the same time, keeping in mind there's a time where there is a delay in release of the fund, be it from the central government or the state. The corpus fund that is already there, it has to be enhanced in this current budget session. We have seen in the budget speech, huge amount has been allocated under education, and we hope that this also will try to ease the issue and the problem of the teachers, where they can have regularly their salary in due course of time. If there is shortage or there is a delay in the release from the central share or the state also, the corpus fund which is there, after enhancement, it can ease this issue. Number two, sir, the regularization for the post of SSA teacher. Teachers want not at one go to regularize, but on phase manner to regularize their service so that this issue can be addressed. Also, the association, they have been written to the state government, to the education department, to the concerned minister, demand that appointment of teachers should be from the government and not from the managing committee or the sponsoring body. If the department could see in this matter, which ultimately will cover once they are regularized. So number three is that the association, the teachers, they want that the salary should be transferred directly to their bank account, as has been done to other staff of under SSA, where like the BRP or the CRP or the DEO, MIS, other staff under SSA. So their request, if it could be heard, I would urge to this call attention to the minister concerned to look into the matter. Point number 4, sir, is about the area that have been pending, 8 months area, because the salary of SSA teachers has been enhanced in July 2000, in April 2016. But the area between July 2016 to February 2017, it is still there, not paid till now. So through this call attention, I would like to urge the Honorable Minister in charge of Education to please address this issue at the earliest. Lastly, sir, the release of the current salary of the SSA school teacher. The motive of this is that if they can get every month, if not every month, also at least 2-3 months simultaneously, so it will help them to support their family. So this is my few submission to this call attention, through you, sir, to the Honorable Minister in charge of Education, and I hope that point raised will be addressed genuinely and for the benefit of SSA teacher in our state as a whole. Thank you, sir, for allowing me to raise this call attention.
The call to attention was promptly responded to on the floor of the House by Minister in charge of Education, Rakkam A Sangma.
Would like to thank Sri Mayral Born Syiem, Honorable MLA of Nongpoh, who has raised the call attention notice under Rule 54 of the Rules of Conduct of Business, highlighting the issue pertaining to newspaper clipping the Meghalaya dated 15 March 2023 under the caption, SSLE's demand state remain clueless. Sir, today, as the Education Minister of the state, I'm proud to say that to be the son of the primary teacher. My father was a primary teacher. I understand how my father and all the teachers' communities undergoes pain and agony and a number of problems when they serve the students. Sir, we are well aware of the problem faced by the teacher community. Yes, sir, teachers community is a pillar of our society. And our teachers community is like a manufacturer or human engine who prepare the human resources to be used tomorrow for the betterment of our state and of our country. Sir, before I further go ahead, would like to begin with the good news to all the SSA teachers of the state. The government of India has released the second installment for the payment of their salaries, and a couple of days back, and the up-to-date salary of all the SSA teachers of the state will be released very, very, very soon. That's I may inform this August House that the state government is actively striving towards the providing quality of education at all levels, despite challenges in various educational parameters. The state government is taking a holistic approach to address the concern of multi-phase categories of teachers in the state. To implicate that the state is doing less and clueless about the concern of teachers is unfair and partial statement. That's the state government is aware of the series of demands put forward by the teachers community, such as the budget provision in the state budget, salary structure and enhancement of salary, merging up SSA teachers to Education Department, constitution of Education Commission, filling of vacant SSA posts, direct transfer of salary, and regularization of SSA teachers and others. Sir, in 2021 and 22, the actual release of Government of India is 305.84 crore, and the state would contribute rupees 30.19 crore. Consequently, the central government released 271.71 crore, and the state matching share of rupees 30.9 crore. The shortfall in expenditure was met by the state government through its corpus fund, and eventually almost 90% of the expenditure is on salary alone. In addition, sir, the actual release of Government of India during 2002, 22, and 23 is rupees 372.36 crore, and its share and the state government would contribute rupees 41.37 crore as its state share matching the above central share as per existing fund sharing pattern of Samagra 6. The state government will create will create condition along the constructive and the creative lines to help motivate and inspire teaching. The teachers' pay, service condition, and the retirement benefit should be commensurate with the social and professional responsibility. The appointment of teachers and the government and government-aided schools shall be met on the basis of MTET at elementary level. For government secondary and higher secondary, appointment will be made through MPSC. A cadre of principal or headmaster, heads of the schools will be created to ensure effective school functioning.